Hey guys, it's a Wednesday night. As you can see, it's raining. It looks like it's going to storm. Those clouds came in fast. Serious, just like 5 minutes ago, it was clear. It looked like all the clouds had passed, and now they just kind of rolled in and started dumping rain everywhere. Yeah, somebody over there trying to start a fire in the rain. Burning evidence. I guess. I don't know. But anyway, the rainy season is cool because it cools everything down. You get a nice breeze. Hello. Hello. But on the other hand, it rains a lot. Hello.
My lights, will be a second. Yeah,
let me get out of the way. There's my buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. But anyway, it also means I can't go out as much as I would like to because it rains all the time. There's thing like, hey. She was just saying like an hour ago she wants to go out. She wants to go out for a walk. And I was like, okay, we'll go in a little bit. Yeah, but of course that's not going to happen now. So I guess I'll record some stuff tomorrow. I'm going to sit here, hang out on the balcony, watch the rainstorm for a while. Oh, here it comes. You can hear it now. Oh yeah. This is going to be a good one. I'll talk to you later. It's Thursday night now. Get you back there. Hello. Hello. Again, I'm trying to get her in the whole shot because she complains if I don't. We're taking a walk as usual. We come this way quite a bit, like all the time. And we see this dog. Dog has mange, but it's a really nice dog. Very friendly, not aggressive. People will stop and pet her all the time. My friend Nicole, who bought an item from me yesterday, she made a post about it. She works intensively in Siem Reap to educate local people about their animals, why they should get them spayed and neutered. She works closely with veterinarians. Matter of fact, they have vets coming from all over the world at different times of the year to come over here and volunteer for a few days. There's always a big event in November where anybody can come and get their dogs taken care of for free. It's free to them, doesn't cost them anything. Then they have like events throughout the year, educational events. It's a whole thing. That's her life mission. She loves the animals here. Doesn't matter which ones. But the dog that I'm familiar with, come to find out, she is looking for. She has a chip reader, microchip reader, and she wants to scan her to see if she has already been implanted with a chip. I don't really think so. But because I've been here for months and I've seen her more times than I can count right down here in this area. So we went looking earlier today and then met Nicole at a Sister Sray Cafe. Got something to drink. She was showing me some pictures. Some of the animals that she's not only rescued, but also some horrific pictures of the way some people have just let their pets go. In really needless ways that these animals die. Totally avoidable in most cases. Not all, but most. Anyway, so I figured while we're walking down here again, since we didn't find her, we didn't find the dog the first time, figured we'd look around here on the way to where we're going. See if we can spot her. Nicole assured me if I see her sometime tonight at a reasonable hour, to just keep her with me. She'll stay there as long as you're petting her. Keep her with me, and then she would come down with her scanner. She also has medicine she puts in food to help with fleas, ticks, and mange. So she will bring some of that, and of course, bring a bag of dog food for the dog, so that she can eat. People do feed her down here. I know our friends down there at the Sweet Tooth stall. One time I was down there and she was hanging around and they were giving her like popcorn and stuff. Nothing sweet, of course, but. So this is kind of where she hangs out. I don't see her yet, but keep your fingers crossed. I'm going to try to get an interview with Nicole and the Khmer vet that she works with mostly. He's a really nice guy. She says he even at times when they can't perform operations on the animals for free, they will do it at the least expensive price they can. Sometimes not even making a profit, because they're looking after the welfare of the animals, not looking to get rich. So really good group of people, really dedicated and really helpful. She goes around to all the Nicole goes around to all the pagodas, like this one here. She makes sure the pagoda animals are taken care of, and that the monks know how to take care of them, and all that good stuff. So anyway, we did that earlier today, and it doesn't look like we're gonna have success right now. Maybe on the way back, I don't know. But I'm gonna get out my picture and see if anybody's seen her around. I'll talk to you later. All right, guys, it's now Friday, early afternoon. I'm just on my way home from work. The point I was trying to make in that last clip, I got a little distracted. First, we did not find the dog, but we did hear from several street food vendors who said yes, they recognize the picture. They say she's down there every night at some point. One lady said she had already been around once, but she would be back. So, judging on that information, I think we might have to do a stakeout between 5 and 7 p.m. one night and just wait down there for her to arrive. Of course, I can't do that tonight because I got my classes, and tomorrow I'm going to the bar, so that won't happen either. But what I wanted to say was that I want to rather have an interview with Nicole and the people she works with, both Khmer and foreigners that come over here to volunteer, just to show people some of the good things that are happening in town. The fact that people do care, they are giving them education about their animals, and as much as you might see sad pictures or video of sickly looking animals rummaging through garbage, and that does happen here. I'm not trying to say it doesn't, but balance and everything, you have to know there are people who are trying to help and they're trying to fix that. So I do want to talk about a collaboration with her. I will let you know. In the meantime, when I got into my school today, the head guy below the director, they have different titles for it here. In the West, we would call the head guy the principal. He's in charge of the big picture stuff for the school, deals with a lot of administrative things. And then the vice principal would be the guy that actually does the day-to-day, all the work during the day. If a teacher calls in, he has to get a replacement. If students call, say they're not going to make it, he has to balance classes, all kinds of stuff here. So from now on, I'm going to call him the vice principal, just because it's easier for me, and that would be the role I would know him as in America. So, having said that, he came up and said he talked to the director, and starting next month, he is going to give me more hours, which is pretty awesome. They say they're happy with my teaching. They talk to the students. The students like me. They're happy with the way I teach. I think it's because I'm just goofy and not afraid to make fun of myself. We always have a laugh or two in each class. Sometimes at my expense. So, yeah, starting next month I get more hours, so that's a good thing. Like I said, sometimes you just have to take these seemingly not very good opportunities, less than ideal opportunities, and just do the best job you can, and then you do that, you should receive more and better opportunities. It probably still won't be full-time, and I probably won't get any more money per hour, even though when I do have my meeting with the director to discuss it, I'm going to ask, because I would be foolish if I didn't. We'll see what happens. And of course, again, I will let you guys know. It was raining a little bit when I left the school, about halfway through my last class. It was really coming down, it was pouring. So I thought for sure I was going to have to call a tuk-tuk or find a tuk-tuk to bring me home. But when I got out, I mean, it was still raining, but it was more damp than anything like a sprinkle. It was just sprinkling. Sky was starting to clear up in some places. And then you have clouds like that that look as if they're passing. You can see it's really clear up ahead. So I decided just to walk. Didn't get wet, just a few sprinkles on my shirt, but nothing major. So there, I just saved $2. The things I won't do to save $2, because $2 here is like a full meal, sometimes 2 meals if you go to the right place. So you know, you gotta save for what really matters. Well, that's all I have for right now. I'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, it's Saturday night. We're out and about down here near Pub Street. Place is going crazy for the football games going on, the World Cup. Look at all these bikes. Look at all these bikes. Wow. Lined up and down the street over here. Woo! That's a party. That's a party. That's how big it is over here, though. Say hello. Say hello. He shaved. He shaved.
I know, I'm naked.
He's naked.
I'm naked. Don't take videos.
I am a naked man on my video. Words I never thought I would speak. Well, not here anyway.
A naked fat man.
But yeah, that's quite a crowd, man. They have.
I've never seen that before.
There's some more. It doesn't focus that good, but somebody scored a goal. Somebody scored a goal.
Just a naked streaker.
Woo!
They never score goals in English football. They just have naked streakers.
Somebody scored a goal, and I'm betting none of them people are German. Oh! Oh! In case you don't know, they got eliminated by the South Korean team. It was very heart-wrenching for them. To all my German friends. So what? It's only a game. Anyway, we're on our way to another bar. I'll talk to you guys later.